Hi Wanderers!
We are super excited today as we are visiting
Ikea!
Yes! This is probably one of the most visited and shopped places in Singapore. Not even pandemic can stop people from shopping to this place thanks to online option.
Currently in Singapore, there are 2 Ikea branches, one in Alexandra and Tampines. Also, a 3rd branch will set to open in 2021 at Jurong East, so watch out for that.
We are now in Tampines branch, which is the biggest and has the widest range of IKEA products. Also, in the same area, you will find 2 large stores. The Courts Megastore and Giant Hypermarket.
Before we start shopping, let's check the IKEA's dining options.
And now that we are fully charged, let's start shopping.
IKEA set up showrooms where they showcase their products. They will have different showrooms with different area size to show how we can set it up or what can fit or not.
We love checking these showrooms as you can actually see and check products you've probably seen online or in the catalog. You can try or test the items on display and make a final call. Also, showroom setup is another way to get inspiration for your next house project.
IKEA will regularly release new catalog, or you can always check out their website. Please make sure to also check for any sale or promotion going on.
Now, it's time to pick up other items on your list. In this section, you will see the whole array of IKEA products for all parts of your house.
If you have any questions about today's video, please leave a comment at comment section below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and see you again in the next video.
See you soon!